Friends, gather round and let's talk about cryptocurrency. It's a topic that's been buzzing around for years now, and it seems like everyone has an opinion on it. But today, we're diving into something a bit different. More specifically, let's talk about PiNetwork, an attempt to bring crypto mining to the masses. Unlike traditional mining, which requires powerful hardware and consumes a lot of electricity, PiNetwork aims to simplify the process. No fancy, expensive computers required, just your trusty smartphone. Imagine being able to mine cryptocurrency while you're lounging on your couch or even while you're on the go. The idea? To make mining as easy as checking your social media. Pretty ambitious, right? It's about democratizing access to cryptocurrency, making it available to everyone, not just those with technical know-how or deep pockets. Now, before you start picturing mountains of digital cash, remember, the crypto world is about as stable as a newborn giraffe on roller skates. The market is known for its volatility, with prices swinging wildly in short periods. It's exciting, it's unpredictable, and it's full of potential pitfalls. One moment you could be on top of the world, and the next you could be wondering where it all went wrong. PiNetwork launched back in 2019 with the goal of making cryptocurrency accessible. The founders envisioned a world where anyone with a smartphone could participate in the crypto economy. They wanted everyone to have a shot at mining, not just the tech-savvy folks with deep pockets. This inclusivity was a key part of their mission, aiming to level the playing field. So, they created a system where you could mine Pi coins just by using your phone. The process is straightforward. You open the app, tap a button, and you're mining. It's that simple. But here's the catch. For a long time you couldn't actually do anything with those Pi coins. They were just numbers on a screen, with no real-world value. You couldn't sell them, you couldn't trade them, you couldn't even buy a virtual pizza with them. It was a bit of a letdown for many early adopters who had high hopes. It was like finding a treasure chest full of Monopoly money. Sure, it looked impressive, but it wasn't going to pay the bills or buy you a cup of coffee. Frustrating, to say the least. Many users felt disillusioned, wondering if their efforts would ever pay off. But the PiNetwork team has been working tirelessly to build an ecosystem where these coins can have real value. The developers are focused on creating a marketplace where Pi coins can be used for transactions, services, and more. It's a work in progress, but the vision is to create a decentralized economy powered by Pi. The community plays a crucial role in this journey. With millions of users worldwide, the collective effort of the PiNetwork community is what drives the project forward. So if you're intrigued by the idea of mining cryptocurrency with your phone, PiNetwork might be worth exploring. It's a bold experiment in making crypto accessible to everyone, and who knows, it might just be the future of digital currency. Fast forward to February 20th, 2025, a date that will live in infamy, or at least be circled on the calendars of PiNetwork enthusiasts. Why? Because that's the day PiNetwork launched its mainnet. Mainnet, in crypto speak, means the real deal, the big leagues. It's when a cryptocurrency graduates from a closed ecosystem to the open market. Think of it like this. Before the mainnet, Pi was like that band practicing in their garage, hoping to get discovered. The mainnet launch is like them finally getting signed to a record label and releasing their first album. Now, the real test begins. Will they become the next big thing, or fade into obscurity? Only time will tell. Okay. So you've been diligently mining Pi on your phone, and now you're ready to cash in. You've watched your balance grow, and the time has come to turn those digital coins into something more tangible. How do you actually sell your Pi coins? This might seem like a daunting task, especially if you're new to the world of cryptocurrency. Well, buckle up, because we're about to navigate the thrilling world of cryptocurrency exchanges. It's a journey that requires patience, attention to detail, and a bit of courage. Step 1. You need to find an exchange that supports Pi. This is crucial because not all exchanges list every cryptocurrency. Think of it like finding a store that accepts Pi as currency. Just as you wouldn't walk into any random store expecting them to accept a rare form of payment, you need to find the right exchange. Not all of them do, so you'll need to do your research. Look for reviews, check forums, and make sure the exchange is reputable and has good security measures in place. Step 2. Once you've found an exchange, you'll need to create an account. This is usually straightforward but can take some time. This usually involves providing some personal information and going through a verification process. You'll need to upload documents, perhaps even take a selfie for ID verification. It's like opening a bank account but with more digital hoops to jump through. The verification process can be tedious, but it's essential for security. Step 3. With your account set up, you can finally sell your Pi. This is where the real action begins. You'll need to find the Pi trading pair, which is usually Pi paired with another cryptocurrency like Tether or Bitcoin. This is important because it determines what you can trade your Pi for. Then, you can place a sell order, either at a specific price or at the current market price. If you choose a specific price, you might have to wait for a buyer. Step 4. If everything goes smoothly, your Pi will be sold, and you'll have some shiny new cryptocurrency in your exchange account. This is the moment you've been waiting for. From there, you can either withdraw it to your personal wallet, or trade it for other cryptocurrencies or even fiat currency, like good old US dollars. The choice is yours, and the possibilities are endless. But remember, each option has its own set of pros and cons. Withdrawing to a personal wallet gives you more control and security, but trading for other cryptocurrencies can offer more opportunities for growth. Also, don't forget about taxes. Depending on where you live, selling cryptocurrency might be a taxable event. It's wise to consult with a tax professional to understand your obligations. Security is paramount in the world of cryptocurrency. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication on your exchange account, and consider using a hardware wallet for added security. Congratulations! You've successfully navigated the process of selling your Pi. It's a significant milestone in your cryptocurrency journey. Now, you're ready to explore new opportunities in the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency. Whether you choose to reinvest, diversify, or cash out, the knowledge you've gained will serve you well. Stay informed, stay secure, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. The world of cryptocurrency is full of potential, and you're just getting started. Choosing the right cryptocurrency exchange is crucial. It's not just about finding a platform to trade your Pi, it's about ensuring your investments are safe and that you have access to the best features and lowest fees. The cryptocurrency market is vast, with numerous exchanges offering a variety of services. Each exchange has its own strengths and weaknesses, and what works for one person might not work for another. Therefore, it's essential to understand your own needs and preferences before making a decision. It's like choosing a bank. You want one that's reliable, secure, and has low fees. Just as you wouldn't deposit your money in a bank with a history of fraud or poor customer service, you shouldn't trust your Pi to an exchange that doesn't have a solid reputation. Look for exchanges that have been around for a while and have positive reviews from other users. For PiNetwork, you've got a few options. PiOneX, HTX, and OKX are all reputable exchanges that support Pi trading. Each of these platforms offers unique features that might appeal to different types of traders. For instance, PiOneX is known for its trading bots, which can help automate your trading strategies. HTX offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies and trading pairs, making it a versatile choice. OKX, on the other hand, is praised for its user-friendly interface and robust security measures. These exchanges have built a reputation for reliability and security, which is crucial when dealing with digital assets. They offer various tools and resources to help you make informed trading decisions, from real-time market data to advanced charting tools. Additionally, they provide customer support to assist you with any issues that might arise. There's also a chance that Binance US, one of the biggest players in the game, might list Pi in the future. Binance US is known for its extensive range of supported cryptocurrencies and high liquidity, which can be beneficial for traders looking to buy or sell large amounts of Pi. If Binance US were to list Pi, it could significantly increase the coin's visibility and accessibility, attracting more traders and potentially driving up its value. That would be a major win for PiNetwork, but as of right now, it's just speculation. While it's exciting to think about the possibilities, it's important to stay grounded and focus on the options currently available. Keep an eye on the news and official announcements from PiNetwork and Binance US for any updates regarding potential listings. So for now, stick to the confirmed exchanges and keep an eye out for any announcements from Binance US. Staying informed is key in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency. Set up alerts and notifications to ensure you don't miss any important updates. This way, you'll be ready to act quickly if and when Pi gets listed on new exchanges. Remember, do your research before choosing an exchange. Take the time to read reviews and gather as much information as possible. Look for feedback from other users about their experiences with the platform, including any issues they might have encountered. This can give you valuable insights into the exchange's reliability and performance. Read reviews, compare fees, and make sure they have a good track record of security. Different exchanges have different fee structures, and these can significantly impact your overall trading costs. Some platforms charge higher fees for certain types of transactions, while others offer discounts for high-volume traders. Understanding these fees can help you choose the most cost-effective option for your trading needs. Security is paramount when it comes to cryptocurrency exchanges. Make sure the platform you choose has robust security measures in place, such as two-factor authentication, encryption, and cold storage for funds. These features can help protect your assets from hacking and other security threats. The last thing you want is to lose your hard-earned PI to a shady exchange. By taking the time to thoroughly research and choose a reputable platform, you can trade with confidence and peace of mind. Remember, the right exchange can make all the difference in your cryptocurrency trading experience.